Hey everybody, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to give you an update of where we are with the Jaguar. Now, on the last episode, you did see that we had some issues getting the car to start after doing the Bluetooth reset. Now, we have found out that there are some contributing issues as we further diagnosed it. Big one is the battery. Two, the BCM unit has got some really weird stuff, not making a lot of sense, but we cannot get the key to start the ignition. Now everybody's going, well, put it into the little key fob slot. On the 2013 Jaguar XF facelift model, there is no key fob slot on the vehicle for you to do that. So according to Jaguar and the manual, you have to put it underneath the fog lamp button, and it will keep telling you to reposition the key fob until it reads it, which is a task that is a pain. But we'll get into that more in the next video of what we found out about this vehicle and some of the history, because we had a topics report that told us what came in this vehicle when it was manufactured, and there was a big clue that we found that is actually making sense with what we found inside the vehicle and the history, the possible history of this car, with some of the other things that we found during our troubleshooting of the car's key problem. So in this one, our problems have gotten bigger.